Fat-burning ginger compress, reduce the waist size overnight up to 2.5 centimeters. Yes, you got that right. In this video we are going to show you how to make the best fat-burning ginger compress. This ginger compress will help you get rid of that stubborn abdominal fat overnight. This homemade method is very simple. You just have to follow the simple instructions. We all know that the fat around the abdominal area is the hardest part to burn. You have to exercise every day, eat healthy, drink plenty of water, sleep, and of course, try this simple but extremely effective trick. As we said, this ginger compress method is very simple and easy to make. You just have to follow the simple instructions. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon freshly grated ginger or ginger powder, 4 to 5 tablespoons body lotion, plastic wrap, towel, elastic bandage. Directions: 1. Soak a towel in warm water and wrap it around the area where you want to apply the ginger compress. 2. Leave it on for 5 minutes. It will open up the pores. 3. Mix the ginger with the body lotion and apply it on the affected area. 4. Use the plastic wrap to wrap the area a few times. 5. Place the elastic bandage over the plastic wrap. 6. Leave the compress on for at least 6 hours. 7. Note, to get the best results out of this treatment, you should apply it before you go to sleep, and remove it when you wake up in the morning. And, one last thing, don't worry if you experience tingling at the beginning. It means that this method is working. You will be amazed by the results. This simple, but effective method will help you get rid of the stubborn belly fat. This means that you should definitely try this simple trick. It's cheap, easy to make and extremely effective.